A relatively new service is being offered by Fairfax County's Department of Community and Recreation Services, Therapeutic Recreation Division. It's the Senior Plus program, and by all accounts, it's a great success.
The Senior Plus staff are absolutely wonderful.
It brings us much more together as a family.
Yeah, I don't know what you're missing because it's good to me.
Seniors can't say enough about the Senior Plus program, which is operated under Fairfax County's Department of Community and Recreation Services Senior Services Division. The goal of this program is to assist senior adults in maintaining their involvement with the community and with one another.
The program actually began really from an idea that we had in 1999, where we assessed our older adult services and how we could best keep individuals who needed a little bit more support directly in their communities.
The program began in 2000 with one site and has expanded to multiple centers.
Senior Plus is open to Fairfax County, Fairfax City, and Falls Church City residents who are 55 and older with mild cognitive and physical disabilities.
To assist seniors with a variety of needs, each center is staffed with a team of professionals who rotate among the various senior centers. There is always a mental health therapist, a recreation specialist, or a nurse on site.
We are here as a support system. However, we try to facilitate independence and accomplishment in any activity here at the Senior Center. You know, that delves into the whole area of self-esteem, raising their self-esteem if they, lose a pound from joining an exercise class, or are able to get on the internet being assisted by somebody and they've never done that before. We do enroll people into our program, specifically into our program. However, our role here at the Senior Center is to provide activities in an inclusive environment. And what I mean by that is that the activities are not only for Senior Plus individuals, they're for individuals that come to a senior center.
Senior Plus is part of the Community Wellness and Prevention Program. The goal is to assess the senior's health, recreation, and mental health state.
Mental health is important in the Senior Plus program because this time of life, the 70s, 80s, 90s, is a time of loss for people. They have lost their mobility in some cases. They've lost their homes because they were independent and they've moved out of their homes. Many of them have lost their spouses. They've lost their friends. They've lost a way of life that they're used to. So it's a time when people are much more susceptible to depression and to anxiety as they worry about what could happen next.
To be eligible for the Senior Plus program, you have to be independent in self-care and in mobility. A lot of our seniors have chronic diseases. They also have physical disabilities that require them to use assistive devices for mobility, such as wheelchairs, canes, walkers. But as long as they can use those independently, then they're appropriate for the program.
We have a therapist who every day has an exercise program, and she starts it by saying, if you hurt in any way, stop. She tells us every day when we start our program. And also, she loves to do it with music. And of course, it's the music we love from the 40s and 50s.
I come up here 4 days a week. I have to stay home on Tuesday because my counselor comes, see. But if she didn't come, I would come up here 5 days a week. My counselor looked it up and found it and told me about it. Because I thought I want to get out of my house and come, visit other people and have friends and,
The program's value extends beyond the participants to their family and friends.
Well, having my mother as part of the Senior Plus program not only gives me and my family peace of mind, but it gives us a lot of ease of movement. She feels like she is still in her own apartment, which she is, and she's able to entertain friends. She has made a lot of friends here and cherishes their friendship a great deal.
Senior Plus also benefits the community. The Adopt a Grandparent program, which pairs seniors with children in a local Head Start program to assist with reading skills, is beneficial to all involved. The seniors reach out to those in need by participating in community service projects, such as making neck pillows for breast cancer patients. Enjoying a warm and safe environment, socializing with friends, and filling a need within the community. That's what Senior Plus is all about. If Senior Plus sounds like something you or someone you know may be interested in, call 703-324-5544. The TTY number is 711. You can also visit Senior Plus on the web at www.fairfaxcounty.gov/rec.